Hello gamers, and welcome to the Game Academy's Roll20 tutorial. This is Mitch here, and I'm just going to quickly go over some of the basics of how to get into our game and what all these icons and possibilities that we have in here are. Once you've created a Roll20 account and have received the link to your Roll20 game, it will bring you to this main page. Once you are here, you just need to click the pink Launch Game button to join. As you can see here, there's not very much at the moment because I'm just showing a couple tests, but the toolbar over here may appear a little different to you than the GM. That is due to some of these being GM tools only. But you should have access to the basics selecting and move, drawing shapes, lines, and typing, zooming in and out of the screen size, measuring the distance between two possible tokens, and the advanced dice roller, which this will allow you to select individual dice or multiples of those dice. And when you get to the advanced dice roller at the bottom of this, you can get very in-depth to your rolls, either rolling the single individual basic dice or say rolling 2d6 plus 4 damage and then making the damage attack. And then once you've done a couple of those, it will store several of your rolls that you've done in your game. So that way you won't have to repetitively do the same typing or motions over and over. You can just get to this advanced roller and then re-roll that d20, because everybody's always rolling a d20. Over on the right hand side, you'll see a few icons, some that you might do to GM rules, and the chat is where we can type to each other. The next section is the journal, and once you've joined the game with everyone, your GM will be able to link your character sheet to your specific profile, as well as handouts of any sorts. And then the last section is My Settings, where we can change our display name from our in-game character name. We can change it to the Game Academy back. And you'll see at the bottom left over here where our icon is, where the name changes. Down over here, we've got several other options, as well as allowing 3D dice. I usually recommend putting the automatically roll dice, so that way you can just simply click on a die and it'll do the roll for you. A little further down here, you will see player avatar video size, which you can do from large all the way to small image. And this may change due to your monitor size or what might be on the map that you see ahead of you. A little further down, you will see your audio and input sources, as well as the way you want to broadcast and what you want to receive from other players. And since we'll be using Discord for all of our audio, it is recommended to change these to video only and then hit reconnect, which will allow it so we can see each other through Roll20 but hear each other through Discord. And that is the most basic of important rules or setups that we need to do for getting the game ready for when we sign up. I hope this has been helpful and informing, and everybody have a safe and awesome day.